What's good, YouTube? Alright, this is Zero for Life, and I'm back. I got my little, got my Sony system going in my 1986 truck. It's a GMC truck. I don't know how well this is going to come out on camera since it's an iPod, but I just want to show the YouTube world what I have so far in this truck. I'm going to play On My Level from Wiz Khalifa. Now, I have no idea how well this is going to come out, but I'm going to try my best.
It's the champagne pouring, big joint rolling, Bombay sipping, no blunt, bad bitch getting thick and she got some friends with her. I take them out, pour shots of liquor, drinking out the bottle, smiling in all my pictures. The marijuana loud, so them hoes follow like Twitter, nigga. To the bar, fool, if you ain't got no paper, that's the rules. High as fuck, sloppy drunk when I'm passing through. Rolling doobies up, your hoe who we pass them to. Hit the club, spend this money up, roll another one, drink after food. That's what I have to do. Champagne all night, never worried about a damn thing. When you're mine, homie, I'm on my level.
Well, this song, it doesn't bump that good, but that's because it's on my level. And one of the better songs is Homicide from Wiz Khalifa featuring Chevy Woods. I'm just trying to see how well it'll pick up this too.
Put the money in the bag, man. Put that over there.
I'm gonna just shout you out again, Ben, because I mean, to me, you're one of the people on YouTube who knows exactly what he's doing. I'm also gonna shout out to Casperskafs. I love how he keeps us updated with his build. He's always doing something new, just like you, Ben. And Casperskafs, I do love what you're doing with your Honda and your Hyundai. But let's see. Let me get back to this Homicide from Chevy Woods and Wiz.
Got my change up there looking like they surprised. Niggas hating on me hard cause my paper right. But I'm killing them. It's homicide. I'm killing them. It's homicide. I got my wings when I was young, so I tend to fly. My chain on the sand. It's homicide. I'm killing them. First 48. First 48. Took out 50 racks and blew the first 48. I ain't worried about spending bread cause I got more to make. Soon as they see that Maserati, they gon' surely hate. Running for a show, can you afford a date? And that's just one show, imagine what my tour gon' make. Police ran up on my tour bus, but hey my niggas, more money, more problems, more lawyers on the case. Niggas was at the Grammys, I was at the crib working. Heard they knew this, but I'll just being a big person. Never been trained, still my aim near perfect. Everything I spit's murder. Bow. I brought a whole to smoke. I'm riding high. My niggas with me, they down to ride. Got my change up there looking like they surprised. Got niggas hating on me hard cause my paper right. Money from the flow, way up to the sky. They wanna know, and they wonder why. Got my wings when I was young, so I tend to fly. I put my chain on and saying it's homicide, and I'm killing them. It's homicide, I'm killing them. It's homicide. I got my chain up there looking like they surprised. Niggas hating on me hard cause my paper.
Alright, guys. That was just a little show to see what, like, how it shows up on camera and everything. Let's hear this my buddy Hayes.
Staring out the curtain on my yard, heavy breathing.
Oh, and also, now you see, I'm messing with the knob. That's the volume knob, and then the little mover, the little tab behind it where you can move it. You can put it all the way up to the top for all the way bass, and it makes it all like hollow and shit. Put it to the middle, which is standard, just right in the middle, and then you can put it all the way down at the bottom for like treble. So sorry, I gotta fidget with this. My fucking cord is horrible.
Mr. President, do you feel me? I'm just trying to talk to you from the heart. Come and take a walk with you. Mr. President, do you hear me? Mr. President, do you feel me? I'm just trying to talk to you from the heart. Come and take a walk with you. Mr. President, you listening, you can hear me right. Touch me when I see Jesse Jackson shed a tear that night. The whole world's looking at you for an answer. I hope you don't get in and make shit harder. Lead us the right way, please, this for life's sake. Heard a lot about 2012.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna. I gotta show you a song that has flex. That you can definitely see the flex. And I have no idea what song to put on. I mean, I'm gonna try some Tyler, the Creator. I'm not sure how well that's gonna be, but we're working on 7 minutes video. 7-minute video so far.
I'm a 19-year-old fucking emotional close to a pipe dream. I ain't tweeted telling people he's bumping all of my shit. These motherfuckers think I'm supposed to live up to something. Shit, I'm still jacking off and proceeding my life careless, but getting my pussy cause I tell bitches I'm Wood Harris. I'm really to Paris, I'm getting these weird stares at skate parks and airports. All in the year, it's weird. Yonkers dropped and left them craniums mind fucked. No competition, missing like that nigga might.
It's all right. I mean, I don't know. It's only my second video. I'll be making some when I do get the chance, which will be quite often, because I always got time on my hands. I'm graduated from fucking high school, and I'm taking a year off. I mean, there isn't much else that I do besides smoke fucking weed and smoke cigarettes, and I just fucking chill with people, and I come out to my truck because I gotta show people my progress on my build. That's what I do. That is what I do. But this is the end of this video. This is my second video, and you guys will be seeing more videos from me soon. So just keep watching. Give me some comments. Rate me and subscribe, because that's what I need. Alright, peace.